Here's the truth about this field. Cybersecurity doesn't reward those who rush in with intensity. It rewards those who endure with intention. Everyone wants the shortcut, the viral tweet, the sudden success. But behind every so-called overnight success in this industry lies years of quiet preparation, trial and persistence. You only saw the moment they succeeded, not the years they refused to quit. We live in an age of snapshots, where everyone shares their outcomes but few show their process. You'll see someone post about a 5-figure bounty, but not the endless nights of recon that came before it. You'll see a researcher on stage, but not the dozen proposals that got ignored before that one talk. It's easy to mistake visibility for arrival, but what looks like sudden success is almost always a slow accumulation of effort stacked quietly, one disciplined day at a time. Cybersecurity is built on endurance, not adrenaline. Every recon you run, every report you write, every failed exploit attempt, it's all part of a longer arc. Skills compound, patterns form, and what feels ordinary today becomes mastery in the future if you keep showing up long enough to connect the dots. There will be seasons when no one notices your work. No applause, no new badges, no messages of validation. But the silence isn't a punishment, it's preparation. It's where your focus sharpens and your resilience hardens. Those unseen seasons are where professionals are forged and where passion quietly transforms into purpose. The short game is about recognition. The long game is about reputation. Anyone can trend for a moment, but reputation, the kind that outlasts algorithms, is built through patience, integrity, and consistency. The short game wins attention. The long game earns trust. So if you're building your cybersecurity career and progress feels slow, good. That's how it's meant to feel. Because what you're building isn't supposed to happen overnight. It's supposed to last a lifetime. This is Bug Bounty and Beyond, where we don't chase quick wins, we craft lasting ones. Comment below if you're committed to playing the long game. Like this if it reminded you to stay the course. Subscribe so you never miss your weekly reset. Because in cybersecurity, endurance isn't optional, it's everything. See you next Sunday.